Hello, this is Melanie from Mel's Joyful Nursery, and I have all the babies, and we're playing on Saturday, and the boys, I've just showed them this poo.
What a sweet birdie.
Do you remember that? Oh, and they love it.
Shall we sing a song, birdie? Sweet little birdie, tweet tweet.
And
Birdie, you have the song like
Oakley, he's sporting some shorts and his little shirt that says Beach Hunk, and he's so cute. And we got Grant, and he's got a little helicopter on his shirt and just some stretch pants. Walter, he's got a dinosaur in a car, and he is just infatuated with poo. And little Luann,
roll the bee so he flies free? Buzz, buzz.
little Luann's got a little monkey shirt on, and she's fast asleep. And
What a sweet bird.
excuse me, I got caught in the wires on our camcorder. And we have Miss Sophie from the Sophie kit. And this hat is so pretty, but it goes with the outfit. This is the outfit, and this is the pants. Aren't they pretty, with roses, and they have this on the end of the leggings. But she's the one that I just love keeping her in a onesie and showing those legs and those little rolls. And I can't wait to get Yuri. She'll be here in a few weeks. They're the same kit, and so I just can't wait to put them side by side, because I just love this kit. They're able to suck their thumbs, and they just have beautiful full limbs here. Just perfect. And I want to show you Chrissy is
What a sweet birdie.
she has this little onesie on that says Daddy Sweetie, and I put her a little bow in her hair, and she's just adorable. She's been going to work with me.
What a sweet birdie.
And she's adorable. The first Behringer baby, and they are cute. They're really cute. I like them a lot. I might get me another one day. But she won't be as pretty as this one, I can tell you that, because Kristen did a really good job giving her some hair and painting her and things like that. Here's some little milk bumps. I keep trying, Kristen, I keep trying to wipe those off right there, because when I feed her every day, I was like, oh, I gotta wipe this off. But it's the ones you put on there. And I have a surprise for you. Let me slide over here. Excuse my feet. Look at here. Jessica is sporting her little, she looks good in pink, girls, ladies, aunties. Look at my baby girl. And she's got on purple, sticking her little feet out. But this is the Even Flow car seat I got for $10. And I asked a few of y'all what y'all's done, and oh my goodness, taking this cover off and putting it in the washing machine, oh my, I have never had a car seat because I couldn't have children. This is my first car seat, and to take it apart, oh wow. It took taking it apart, washing it, and I did put it in the dryer on low, and then putting it back together. It was a whole hour. I mean, and I don't think I've got this right. But anyway, it's cute. It's got top on it, and it's it's really showing the real colors. It's purple. It's purple and black. Black is one of my favorite colors, and pink. Pink and black together, and pink and purple. They're pretty cool. So she's sporting her new car seat. Like I said, if I go spend the night at my grandmother's house, me and my husband, because we work on the farm and help my family, you know, with fences and things like that, or holidays, she has to go. And now she has a car seat to sit in. My baby girl. So here they all are. They gotten quiet over here. Let me see what's going on. What are y'all up to? Y'all have gotten quiet. What's happening? Y'all quit playing? Oh,
What
okay.
a sweet birdie.
I think
Shall we roll the bee so he flies free? Buzz, buzz.
this little thing is so cute. I think it's just the way he talks. It's funny.
What a sweet bee. Busy, buzzy, bumblebee.
Oh, look at
You
there.
like honey just like me.
Walter says, whoa,
Yippee.
what is
Would
that?
you like to play some more? Shall we sing a song?
Okay.
birdie? Sweet little birdie.
Let me show you.
Sweet little birdie.
I told you that,
Song brightens up my day. Yippee. Would you like to play some more?
Carmen, oh gosh, don't even look at Grant's hair. It's pitiful. I got him off eBay. And, poor thing. He's got a bad hair. But I want to show you Walter. Carmen, from Carmen's Reborn Nursery. I want to show you. I don't even have it going. It was wet, but she can do the most perfect swirl around. And I wish you guys could feel his hair. His hair is exactly like a baby's hair. And I just love doing this. But I'm scared I'm gonna pull it out. But I know I've never seen his hair. I have never seen one piece of hair whatsoever on a piece of clothing or in my brush. I am not lying on that. He is gorgeous. And little Luann here, let me show you her hair.
What a sweet birdie.
Let me see. They've got these little rings.
Shall we sing a song, birdie? Sweet
Her hair is natural curly.
little birdie. Your happy
You can wet it and just curl it up.
Yippee. Would you like
And
to
it's
play some
so
more?
soft. Yeah, I've been snuggling with her too. So everybody's getting their snuggles. And every afternoon I take Oakley with me, if it's pretty, to go play with the dogs and stuff. And good gracious, I have probably been through 6 pairs of socks already this week. I mean, it's a pair a day. Because it's ticklish. Look at the dogs licking. Love to lick his feet and his hands. So I keep his hands away, but I can't. The two of them are so big, the dogs, I can't keep them from licking his feet. But they licking him all over and getting his socks so
What a
dirty.
sweet birdie.
Okay. Well, this is our Saturday, and we're playing, and we got a couple of ones sleeping. A little Chrissy. I think that name does fit her. She's been going to work with me every day. Yeah. And she's a little hard to dress because, you know, they're stiff. This is the first Behringer, like I said, I had. But I have preemies anyway, so, and she wears preemies. She doesn't look good in pants. Anybody has any ideas, I could take her diaper off and it wouldn't be so bulky here, but it's bulky all the way around her. And when you, this was the back of the pants, and I had the pants on her, but it looked like, I mean, she was huge right here. It was just all wadded up. But I think she looks just great in a onesie, so. And she does have 2 onesies on. That may be the difference. May be the problem, but and the diaper is a preemie. It fits my other preemies. So anyway, she said she doesn't care. She's fine. But yeah, this was pants that goes with that outfit. So anyway, we're out of here and we're playing and enjoying our Saturday. It's beautiful. So I may do a video this afternoon outside doing something. I don't have any more charcoal, so I can't grill. And I don't want Oakley around the grill, so find something else to do. You know, it'll be fun. So, I enjoy everybody's videos all week, and want this back. So, I keep saying so, and we're just waiting on Yuri. Once I get her finished paid, she'll be home, and like I said, she's a Sophie kit, and I may be the only one on our channel that has 2 Sophie kits, just because I love them. I mean, just sucking their own thumb and stuff, and the kit itself is beautiful. The rolls, the details, and it's a really good kit, I think. And once you get a good artist, that's all you need with that. Okay, so we're out of here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. We're going to try, and I'm going to rest today, and we're going fishing tomorrow, and I was going to take Oakley, but he's just too young to go in a boat. I'm scared. So I'll try to get him fishing on the dock, because we fish on the pier sometimes, and I'll videotape that instead of in the boat, because I don't want him in the boat. He's too little, and he might get hurt. Okay, so we're out of here. And you guys have a wonderful weekend. Love and hugs, everybody. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.